Hello, Familia. Hello. I am Magdalene Janet. We are here to review these lipsticks. I am so excited. As you guys know, I love doing lip swatches for you. I do them in studio lighting and in daylight so you can see the true color of the lipstick. I also don't ever wear anything on my lips like lip liners or anything so you can see that true color, but I'm a bit in a pickle today because Morphe, you guys know I've been talking about Morphe all year. They are revamping the brand and the line. Now they have new lipsticks and lip liners. My lips can't handle all this, you know? So what I'm thinking of doing is lip swatching the lipsticks and then hand swatching these on my arm so that you can see the colors. The reason I don't like to use lip liners is because it alters the color of the actual lipstick, and I want you to see the actual lipstick color. As we know, lip liners typically enhance the lipstick, gives your lips a nice shape and plump. I had to choose from lipstick to lip liners, but you guys are gonna see the colors and all the deets. So what I'm gonna do right now is lip swatch every single thing here, and then at the end of the video I'm gonna give you all the info about how they look, how they smell, how much they cost, and all that jazz swatches. And I will have everything linked and tagged down below for you. If you do click on my links and tags on the screen and below in the description box, it does help my channel out tremendously. I appreciate if you do use them, no pressure, but it does help me out a ton. So without further ado, let me show you in daylight how these look. Let's start the swatches. Familia, here she is. Morphe released these lipsticks and lip liners. Lip swatching all of these and then swatching these on my arm. I'm really excited to see how creamy and how these tones look, you know? So let's start the lip swatches. Starting off with Ballet. This is the shade Ballet, very light rose tone. And in daylight, this is Ballet. Moving to numero dos, this is Teddy. This is the shade Teddy. And in daylight, this is Teddy. Oh, this is a peachy nude shade. Onto Petal. This is the shade Petal. And in daylight, this is Petal. This is a pink rose tone I kind of like. Moving on to Honey. This is the shade Honey. In daylight, this is Honey. This has a golden and pink undertone. Not as honey as I thought. On to Dearest. Ooh. This is the shade Dearest. And in daylight, this is Dearest. This is a very pink with a hint of rose in it. It matches my blush. On to Whipped. This is the shade Whipped. And in Daylight, this is Whipped. This is a mauve rose tone. Ooh, Souffle. This is the shade Souffle. And in Daylight, this is Souffle. This is a golden warm. Onto the deeper shades, this is Suede. This is the shade Suede. And in Daylight, this is Suede. This is a brown with some golden undertone. Onto Plush. This is the shade Plush. And in Daylight, this is Plush. This is a mahogany shade. This literally matches my shirt. Moving on to Beret. This is the shade Beret. And in Daylight, it's Beret. This is a cherry with some warmth in it. Onto Haze. Ooh, look at this shade. This is the tone Haze. And in Daylight, this is Haze. This is a brown wine shade. If that was a mix, this is it. Last but not least is Velvet. This is the shade Velvet. And in Daylight, this is Velvet. All right, Familia, swatched all 12 of these shades. Let's really dive in, but let me give you info about these first. The new Morphe Lip Filter Hydro Plump Soft Matte Lipsticks each retail for $15. Treat lips to a softly plump look, gently hydrated feel, and a flawlessly filtered finish with these Morphe Soft Matte Lipstick. It's a silky smooth matte lipstick, buildable, true to lip shade, soft vanilla scent. Key ingredients is plumping peptides, jojoba seed oil, and mango oil. These are available at Ulta. These are very creamy. As you apply them, they're extremely creamy. They dry down. If you give it like 10 minutes, maybe 5 minutes, you get more of that matte look. That's where you get that soft matte lipstick. Initially, as I applied them, I'm like, damn, these are very, very creamy, where I feel like I need a lip liner, right? But then I waited a little bit and I noticed they did dry down. The shades are nice. The variety of these tones are very much in the nude family and the natural lip color family, and then you have like towards the end the more wine tone, red wine tone shades, which is fine. Personally, I like them. If you like a bright red lip or like a pink, there's none of that here. It is a very neutral sort of look, which I'm not mad about. I kind of like it, but I did notice, I was like, oh, these kind of look alike. But they don't. All the undertones are very different, are in the same family, which could be a little bit confusing. What I want to do is swatch the pencils, which are here. Just see how they swatch, because you guys, the sun completely went down. I don't have any more sun to show you. I'll show you here how these swatch. And these are the Morphe signature lip pencils. They retail for only $7 each. These come in 16 shades. Line, define, and fill lips with the powerful pigmented cult favorite Morphe signature lip pencil. These glide on and define lips. They are sharpenable, creamy, and highly pigmented color. I just gave you some info here. Let's start with number 1. This is Bubble Bath. Oh wow, that's creamy. Look at that. Wow, that actually looks a lot lighter from the pencil. Oh, maybe not. Oh no, okay. I do like that Morphe has the color of the actual lipstick is the color of the packaging. This is the tone Wifey. I will say 2 of the lipsticks, as we're talking about the lipsticks, they did melt, so the actual bullet fell off. This is Honey. Oh, Honey's pretty. This is Dearest. This is Spiffy. This is Girl Talk. Very creamy. Okay. Junior Sweet. Oh, that's a pretty shade. Sweet Tea. Oh my gosh, Sweet Tea used to be my favorite. Yep, still the same. These are the replacement / upgraded versions of their very famous black pencils that literally look like Macs. This is Makeup Talk. Oh, Makeup Talk is pretty. This is Whipped. Ooh, Whipped. Okay. Sugar Pie. This is Sugar Pie. Sugar Pie is pretty. You know I'm drawn to like the brown tones. You know me. This is Brulee. Ooh, she's brown. I like Brulee. Berry Cola. Trendsetter. Rocksteady. Ooh, Rocksteady's kind of light, but I like it. See how creamy they are? They kind of peel a little bit. That's not a bad thing. Nightcap. Ooh, she's deep. I love it. All of the lip liners swatched. You see how they're all different undertones, and some of them have the same names as the actual lipstick, so you can mix and match. I love the variety. There's 16 tones, so that's very, very nice. Very creamy. These are sharpenable pencils. Based off of the swatch, I really like them. Typical pencil lip liner. I personally prefer a pencil lip liner because you can sharpen it and make your lines very, very small, because you know me, I got small lips, so I always prefer like a pencil versus like a mechanical lip liner. Wow, Morphe, you know, they're coming up. They're really revamped, and I'm really loving this revamp. It feels high-end, but it's still very, very affordable. Their prices haven't changed completely. The packaging now is stunning. It's very luxe. It's very high-end. Morphe is known for being affordable. That's how they became super popular, for being affordable and having good products. And honestly, this revamp, I'm all for it. I really, really like it. I like that they've taken the time out to revamp the stuff that worked for them and just make it better, and add additional products that are up to date with what makeup is now in 2025 versus 2020, 2018, 2016, you know? So these lipsticks are great. They're very creamy. They dry down a little matte. You see here, it's like a little matte, but not too matte. I would recommend a lip liner with these lipsticks because they are very, very creamy, so that you just kind of stay in your lines. Another thing I noticed and that I really liked is the shape. I like how it has this angle where you really could hug your lip like that and not really mess up. These are highly pigmented. They don't have a scent or anything, and they each retail for $15 versus the lip liners retail for $7. So I think you get good quality product for the price. So let me know which one is your favorite one, because I'm super excited to know. I'm back. The sun came back out and I forgot to mention which ones were my favorite ones. Put them back so I have like a lineup. Really loved honey. I typically like a warm tone lip combo or color. I feel like warm tone on my lips is the only time I accept warm tone. I'm not a big warm tone girl because my skin tone tends to pull warm Oompa Loompa. Really love any honey lipstick, very pretty. I love Souffle. It had like this rose color, rose brown. I love, Beret was very different. I kind of liked, it was like red, but not like a traditional red. Loved. I also love Suede. Pretty. They all have a bit of a red undertone, I would say, except for like the first three, which were super light for my skin tone. The deeper tones all have a red undertone except for honey. That's also something else to think about. I don't mind red undertone lipsticks, but sometimes those may not mesh in very well with your skin tone. Those are my favorite. Let me know which ones are your favorite. Like I said, these tones are for like the everyday wear. If you like a colorful lip, if you like more of a neutral tone, the tones are here for you. Very excited to see what are your thoughts on Morphe and their updated makeup now. I did a full face of Morphe a few months ago, but now I feel like they're bringing out more stuff. I may have to do another full face of Morphe because they're bomb. I'm really liking the revamp, and these lipsticks are nice, very pretty, and I did receive it via PR, so thank you so much to Morphe, and thank you for you guys for hanging out with me and spending a little bit of your day with me every single week. And I'm not gonna do a wear test because look, these just transfer. They don't claim to be long wearing lipsticks. They're just a creamy lipstick, so you'll just have to reapply per the usual, because look, it does transfer, which is okay. Not a big deal. You just reapply with your lip liner and call it a day. I love you guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me and spending a little bit of your day with me. I will go in the window right now. The sun is back out to show you how these look. Oh my god, they're kind of like lopsided. These look in daylight. Okay, now that the sun is somewhat out, these are, hold on, this is how they look in daylight. Just wanted to show you really quick. You see those undertones? Very different, huh? And look at those deep shades. I love it. And I love you guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Please don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any videos. Click the button right there, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, Familia.